Hi there, it's Lordshipper Lou, Super James too, 'cause it's like a superfood. Um, I'm just really mad that, some of these hymn books here, they just don't have songs about my works, and I'm working for the Lord, and I'm gonna write my own music so much because I'm looking for the Lord, and I hear that Pastor so and so can play the piano, and we just gotta maybe team up and make some beautiful music together. But I have some suggestions of play some real old time classics. You know, the Sabbath is for quitters. Pass me not, oh offering plate. There was work in Matthew 7. Nothing but James 2. Amazing Heresy. Lead McCalvin. And Just As I'm Not. We can keep in that song Victory in Jesus because it says that I repented of my sins and won the victory. Some of these free gracers are just scratching that part out and writing in, I believed on the Lord Jesus Christ and won the victory. But I knew better. Dude, and that Nicholas Getty and David Benjamin and Greg Jackson, they're just going straight to hell. Sergeant Gospel, can that bro even James too? Sorry, it's the parody. Lordshipper Lou, very loser too. Take care.